Hello, firstly, we needed to open the TTLock app and add the lock. So now we click the padlock screen and click all locks. So we search this lock. We click the add. So now we can modify the username. So we can use the app to unlock directly. Click here. This is the app unlock directly. Now we could set passcode, cards, fingerprints, and other functions in the app. Now I'll show you how to add cards. Click the card and add a card. We could modify the name, for example, and set the start time and end time. Enter time, maybe, okay. So we use the card, put here. So it is successfully. Now we could use card to unlock directly.